What is up, guys? Paul James here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 by building websites. This is what I would do if I was starting from scratch, exactly step by step. So I'm going to share everything with you in this video. I'm going to show you some real examples of websites I've actually built that make money, but I'm also going to show you how you can kind of get to that point as quick as possible. So before we get into this, if you like this style of videos, please let me know by just commenting yes below this video so that I know to keep making more videos like this for you that are like this step-by-step style video, because I haven't done one of these in a while. So I just want to make sure that you guys like this kind of stuff before I invest more time into making videos like this. Anyways, let's jump into it. So the kind of websites that we're going to be building for this strategy, and by the way, you can be a complete beginner to do this. I actually built this website here using a free WordPress website builder. So if you just go and get WordPress, I used a template called Elementor. Okay, so it's like a plugin that you can just have free templates like this one here, and you build out a website very, very quickly. You don't need to know how to program or code. And this website, just to give you kind of an idea of the kind of potential you can make with a website like this. So on this website, you can either put up a phone number and get paid per call that comes in. So for example, every time someone calls, we could sell that phone call or the lead from the form for $50 to a roofer in this area. Or what you could do is you could sell the whole website. And if you sell the whole website, you're looking at $5,000 to $6,000 and all the way up to like $10,000, $12,000 depending, like if you rank the website in Google like I did. So you can see right now it's holding actually the first position for Roofer Cedarburg. These are just paid ads here, so those don't count. But it's actually holding the first position for this keyword. Now, if you were to do that, you could go and then sell this website for, thousands and thousands of dollars. Would be worth a lot more than $5,000 to $6,000 if it was already ranked. Or you could keep the website and simply sell the leads off of the website to a roofer in the area. However you want to do it is up to you, but I'm going to show you how to get to this point, how to plan out a website that's worth building that will rank easily. So even if you're a beginner, you can actually rank the website just by putting content on it. And by content, I mean like words onto the website. So I'm going to show you how we do this, and we're going to run through it today right now. So let's jump into it. So I use a tool like this one, which I will link below this video, or you can just go to pauljames.com/Phoenix. Okay. This is the tool that I'm using, and I'm going to show you how we get to this. So you want to start by entering in a keyword that you have an idea for already. So I'm going to do roofer, Rockford, Illinois. So basically it's my niche that I'm going after, a city and state. And I'm going to click analyze single keyword. Okay, so it's going to queue for processing. I'll just pause the video so that it's not boring for you. And then as soon as it loads here, I will start the video again. All right, so you can see here the tool has gone ahead and analyzed our results here. And we can click view SEO data. And this is what we're really interested in. The closer that this SEO score goes down the bar, like to 0, the easier it's going to be to show up for this keyword, especially just using content, meaning that we can just write content like I did here on this website and rank using that content. And if we can find keywords like this is going to be the best way to actually go and get a website up. So it's going to show up in Google on the first page, and then we can either take the leads that come in from that website and sell them to a roofer, or sell the entire website for a big amount like $10,000. Now, if I come back here and I decide that this keyword looks good and I want to actually go ahead and make a website around this keyword, I can go and click this create content button, and it's going to use AI to actually create the content for me, which means I don't have to do any of the work. In the past, I'd have to go and hire a content writer. I'd have to do all of this work myself and research it all. But it actually does it for me. It knows exactly how much words to write, exactly what keywords to put in it, exactly what to talk about, so that it's going to actually create the content that Google wants to see so that we show up on page 1. Okay, so now the view content button has turned green, and you can see here it's gone ahead and it's created all of the content for me as I scroll through here to go ahead and rank for this keyword. So from this point, it would be really easy for me. All I have to do is click copy to keyboard, and then I would go into WordPress. Like I said, I used WordPress. I used Elementor, which is a free plugin that you can use. And all I would have to do is come in here and just paste in my article that I wanted to rank for. I'm gonna undo that because this is a different city, but if I wanted to, you can see just how easy it would be to do that, which again, thanks to the power of this tool and AI, it took what used to be a very, very long, tedious process and turned it into something that really only takes a couple of seconds. So again, if this is something you want to get started with, you can visit the link in the description of this video or go to pauljames.com/Phoenix to go ahead and jump on this. But if you're needing some more help with actually thinking of ideas, what I recommend you do for niche ideas is go to a website like homeadvisor.com, right? They're kind of like the biggest giant right now in lead generation, and you can go through and view all of their categories and see all of the different niches that might be ideas for you to go. So then I would come up with these different keyword ideas like fence install, PVC fence install, and then I would go into Keyword Phoenix and I would type it in PVC fence install Rockford, Illinois, or whatever city I wanted to try out, and I would come up with some ideas until I found one that worked that it said was easy to rank for, and I could go ahead and rank that site by just building it out and putting that content on it that the AI generates, and it would be good to go. And I could either make money off of selling the leads, or I could just sell the whole website to someone who's in the area. Okay, so to give you a quick recap of this entire strategy, so if you want to make $10,000 by building websites and you're a beginner, you don't know how to program or code, but you want to get into this, step one, use pauljames.com/Phoenix to find a good keyword, which is going to be something that's going to be easy to show up in Google for without having to really do anything. Make sure you check HomeAdvisor for niche ideas if you're just really not sure what niche to go into. And then you can plug that niche plus a city into Keyword Phoenix and it'll help you find a good keyword. Step two is you're going to build out a website using WordPress and the Elementor free plugin or any other free theme. You can see this is how I built this one out. It's just a free theme or plugin inside of WordPress, and they have lots of them that will make it really easy for you. It's literally drag and drop. Like if I wanted to like put this one down here, I just drag it around where I want it, or I just type what I want it to say. So if you can type or drag and drop, you can definitely build out websites like this. Step three is you're going to generate AI content for the site, again, using pauljames.com/Phoenix, which will help the site rank in Google without you having to do much of anything else. And as you saw, that just takes a couple seconds to do this entire process. Probably the most time-consuming part will actually be just, putting pictures and stuff onto the website. Step four is you're going to contact a local business in the area that either wants to buy the leads. So either when someone calls in, you can just send the lead to them, or if they fill out the form, send the lead to them, or they buy the entire website for like $10,000 to $12,000 or however much you decide, depending on, what you think it's worth. And then step five, you just rinse and repeat the process all over again. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, I'll leave a link below to the tool I used. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please leave me a comment below. Until next time, guys, I'm Paul James. Peace out.